Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This video is a SolidWorks practice exercise number 4 for beginners. This is a sketch given in the left side of the screen. We will see how can we prepare the CAD model of this sketch by using SolidWorks tools. So let's start. First of all, we will select a plane. Let's select front plane, make it normal to. We will draw some sketch here. So go to sketch, select midline from here and draw a midline. Press escape. Go to smart dimensioning and give the dimension to this line, which is 50 mm according to figure. Again select line and complete the sketch. Go to smart dimensioning. Let this side be 10 mm. We will draw some more sketches here. So first of all, select midpoint line, draw a midpoint line here, press escape button, go to smart dimensioning and let this line be 30 mm. Again go to lines, press escape, again select line, press escape button, select smart dimensioning, let this side be 50 mm and also this side be 50 mm. Again select lines, go to smart dimensioning, this line to this line, it should be 30 mm. When we calculate from the sketch, the thickness of these walls should be 7 mm. Now select trim entities and trim out these two lines. Click OK. Now go to features, select extruded boss and put the distance 90 mm here. Click OK. Now click on this face, make it normal to and draw some sketch here. Go to sketch, select line, again select line, distance between these 2 points is 50 mm according to figure, so it should be 25 mm from the center point. So click on smart dimensioning. The distance between these 2 points should be 25 mm. Now again go to features, select extruded cut this time and click OK. Again select this face, make it normal to, go to sketch and select a circle from here. First of all, we will trace the midpoint of this line and we will draw a circle here. Again draw an inner circle, go to smart dimensioning. The distance between the center of circle and the bottommost line is 45 mm. The dia of outer circle is 40 mm and the dia of inner circle is 20 mm. Now go to features, select extruded boss from here and type distance 15 mm. Click OK. This is a blind hole throughout this plate. So we need to cut a hole inside this plate also. So first of all, select this inner surface, right click and click on sketch. Now select the inner sketch and click on convert entity. Now a new sketch is prepared on the outer surface of this wall. Now go to features, select extruded cut and click OK. Now this is a throughout hole. We need this hole in this plate also, so we can extend this operation. For this, go to extruded cut, right click and select edit feature. And you can trace this out of this plate like this and click OK. Now the hole is created in both the plates. According to sketch, there is a cut inside this cylinder. So just select this surface, right click, select sketch, select this sketch and click on convert entity. Now select line and complete this sketch. Now go to feature, select extruded cut and in distance select 6 mm. Enter. Select OK. Now the cut is prepared in the cylindrical portion. We need the same cylindrical operation in the opposite plate also. So no need to do this again. Just go to mirror. In mirror face plane, select right plane, which is in the mid of this two plate. In features to mirror, select extruded boss and extruded cut feature. Click OK. Now the same feature is mirrored on the opposite side of the plate. This will complete our model. I hope you like this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe the channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.